Mastering English. Learn the phrase, first rate. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're looking at a phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in conversations with native speakers. We're talking about the phrase, first rate. Have you heard it before? Do you know what it means? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it like a pro. So, let's get started. First rate is an idiomatic expression used to describe something of the highest quality or excellence. The term rate, in this context, can be thought of as class or category. So, when something is first rate, it belongs to the top class or category. Examples in sentences: the food at that restaurant is first rate. I highly recommend trying it. She is a first-rate scientist, with her research recognized worldwide. The term first rate has historical ties, especially to the classification of warships in the Royal Navy, which were graded based on their size and firepower. The largest and most powerful ships were called first rate, signifying their superiority and dominance on the seas. Over time, this naval term became a common way to express excellence in other areas. When you want to compliment or express a high opinion about something, using first rate is a great way to do so. It's suitable for formal and informal contexts alike. However, it's important to note that it's often used for objects, services, or experiences rather than describing people. Scenarios for use: products or services. The hotel offers first-rate accommodation. Performance or experience. The play received first-rate reviews from all major critics. While first rate is a positive term, using it incorrectly can be confusing. Remember, it's not commonly used to describe people directly. Saying someone is first rate may sound unusual unless you're talking about their work or performance. What not to say: incorrect. He is a first-rate man. Correct. He is a first-rate professional. And that wraps up our look at the phrase, first rate. Now that you know what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it,